I think I might have the other part done. Let's see here. Is it capturing the audio? I can't tell. Let's come over here and take a look at the junk. There we go. All right. So we're gonna pull these radios out and take a look at them and see. I don't know what's up with the ICOM. It just supposedly doesn't work. All right. So we have in here 570 with the microphone. Microphone cooler. Power cord, I mean. Radio in a bag inside styrofoam. This thing is absolutely... no, never mind. It looked pretty mint to me. Oh, geez. The freaking rubber on the VFO knob is cracked. Never seen that before. So supposedly, this radio here, the finals are blown. Supposedly. Looks pretty nice. It's got some scratches right here and here. It's in really nice shape compared to the one that I did have. Alright. Let's move this over here. This damn thing keeps moving. Okay. Let's remove the coax. $27,385. First giveaway. Anyway. Jesus Christ. So the radio looks really good, but I just noticed right here, it's completely worn. It's strange. Like somebody would really use the IF shift that much. Oh, really insane. Okay, let's go to 3900. Why would you use this? This guy was using the squelch. Like, the volume is like up really high, but I don't hear anything. You can barely hear it. Something's not right. Oh, there's also no noise.
That was another modification that I made on the boat, which actually I shouldn't have done.
Okay. There's some kind of problem with the antenna connector. You shouldn't be able to receive on the other one. Let me put this on a dummy load. and see what it does. We got yeah, it definitely doesn't do anything. I will assume that what the guy said is correct. The finals are cooked on it. Let's just try it anyway. Oh, there could be a couple of things. It'll never tune if the finals are done. So okay. All right, we have that, and where's our mic gain? Microphone right here, set to 50. Okay. Then we got AM. We got nothing on AM. Okay, and we got nothing there. Let me see if we have a monitor. Oh, power's at 100. Okay. I don't know if this has a monitor or not. This radio has this beat cancel. It works so good. If it does have a monitor, I cannot remember. I think this is one of their better radios, as far as like the look in the front of it and everything. Okay, when I wanted to try something really quick, let me go into here. How to reset ts570d. To do a full reset, press A equals B plus power on. All right. Okay. Yeah, here. All right. So, on to the next radio. This one is going to require taking a look at it inside. looking for crispy critters. All right, so we got that. Now we're going to come over here to the ic751, and hopefully it's in really nice shape also, hopefully, but who knows, it might not be. Interesting how somebody would own these radios and only talk on CB. It is definitely possible. Okay. Now, these boxes are kind of weird. They had like this strange little flap that ICOM did back then. So here's the card from the guy, Gene Kerrigan. Anyway. So Gene just wanted my friend to have somebody use these, fix them, or, you know, somebody that could get them going again. I've never seen this microphone before on an HF radio, so that should be interesting. This is definitely the original ICOM cable. It matches the cable that came with my 751 over there. So mine is broken also. That's why I wanted this in the first place. Okay, power cord. There's a bunch of notes in here. Mic gain settings, monitor through speaker, switch on top, RF power at full, back off mic gain, on mic to reduce power, radio, mic gain at 12 o'clock. What happens is on bands 22 through 195, it cuts off trans and receive. The V, I think it says check the jumper for 11 meters. Lights on meter burnt out 7/30/22. Okay. And this August 2019. Okay. This must be his brother. Same name, different first name. August 2019, no transmit. Check mic connector on radio first. December 19th, bad finals. That's what it says. Power cord. Something or other. I've never seen either one of these radios ever have bad finals, but then again, 11 meters will do that. Some of these radios aren't really meant to be used on 11 meters. 1990. So this is a very late 751. Yeah. That's crazy. I have that tuner. I also already have that manual. I don't know what that is. Charles Gizmachi, Citizens Band Beam Antenna. Alright, I don't know what it is. Block diagram. Okay, that's cool. These MFJ Versatuner. These are strange things for somebody that's only on 11 meters to own. But anyway. And then this is a ad for Samlex. I think that the guy was probably a ham. And he just preferred 11 meters. That's my guess. I have that one. They don't show. This is probably pretty old. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. Okay, it looks like just the radio. And I can see from looking at the top of it, looks pretty damn clean. Who in the hell would keep the foam for a 751? I'm going to tell you right now, this thing looks amazing. So, if anything, this thing is just about fucking mint. Compared to mine, this thing is really good. I was hoping maybe it had the built-in power supply, but it does not. Alright. I'm just looking at the back of it really quickly. It's a serial number 9024. It is in beyond nice shape. Let's get it on the bench. There's a couple of spots of paint. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, we're not going to worry about that. Wow. So, let me get this thing up over here. And, okay. Now this one might work. Might have a bad chip. Couple of things it could be. All right. 27385, folks. Okay. Okay. Let's put all this stuff. This thing is in extremely good condition. There isn't any sound though. I've got the dummy load on in case it's doing something weird. Noise blanker off. Compression. Okay. I can see the RF gain is doing something. These knobs feel interesting. Alright, let's go into the band. Let's go coax direct. Okay, we had CW. Alright. It doesn't work above 21. Yeah, that's what they described. How do I get it out of this fucking general mode? There we go. Okay. Boy, definitely something weird wrong with this thing. Alright, so let's see. This should be fun. It's the nicest looking CB radio I've ever seen. Oh, it doesn't work. No worky work. No. I ain't seen anything. Alright. Well, I don't know what's wrong with it, but I know it doesn't work because we don't have any receive. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the finals are blown out of it. You see it move. Let me go into the monitor. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, breaker, breaker. Hello, good buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, this thing screams. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We see a little bit right there, but yeah, no, there's no power on my watt meter down below. Hello, doo-doo-doo-doo. Nothing works above 21 megahertz. ALC, compression, IC, nothing. Hello. That's voltage. Oh, what do we got? VC. Hello, compression. Hello. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, wow, the up and down buttons actually work on this. This is a 706 type microphone. Alright. So, it definitely doesn't work, and we'll deal with it another time. The notes say the finals are blown. I believe that's probably true, considering that we have a little bit of movement and there's no current being drawn. These finals are about impossible to get, but I figured when my friend told me that these came from CB Dude, they're probably toast. That what I really wanted them for was in case the radio was in better shape than mine, and it is. So, in the worst case scenario, I just now got myself one of the nicest looking parts radios I've ever seen. And so, let me grab my 751 and put it on top of it. Just for the hell of it. Just for the hell of it. Let's get this thing. And mine, you're probably not going to be able to see it in the pictures as far as like good or bad. Yeah, look at that. Well, somehow I may have just burned this thing up in the first place. So, the antenna connector fell off the back. Lovely. Let's try this again. Into the dummy load. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have power. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we don't have full power. Low 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 SWR. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's just, you're just hearing the monitor. I've got full power out. So I believe, let me see. That looks fine. Let's take it off the dummy load. Okay. I can't believe I actually did that. These are pretty resilient. They will fold back power. Okay, so let me put this back on the dummy load. We'll turn the volume off. Volume. Okay, we're gonna turn the 3000 on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is off frequency slightly. It's off quite a bit. You see how I just zero beat it, but it didn't change on the display? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's perfectly on the money. Hello, radio. Breaker. Let's see if channel 38 works. Okay, we go back over to the ham general. It's probably in the memory. There we go. We will need hello 1, 2, 3, 4. So it works on the lower bands, but it doesn't work on anything below 22 megahertz is what the notes said. Hello 1, 2, 3, 4. We have no transmit. So it's possible this one just has the bandpass fucked up. And what other? I don't know. How do you go through these? You just memory. I think maybe just get 27430. Hello. 780. 820. $39.39. Interesting. One, two, three, four. So it doesn't work on that band. Well, let's take it off of here and see. I'm on dummy load. What I want to be is on sideband. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 watts on 160 meters. On 2 different meters, I've got one over here. If you look at it, you can see. Let's see here. I'm filming at the same time I'm doing a live stream, so this is kind of 2 birds, 1 stone. But anyway, let's see here. Let's go up the band. It's 355. We're on the dummy load. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can read the meter, yes, we have. Let me get this in perspective there. All right. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 watts. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 watts. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 watts. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 watts on 17 meters. 21. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 15 meters with a little bit less than 100 watts. Okay. And 12 meters, I think, will not work. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have no 12 meters. So what that tells me is that the CB radio shit cooked the rest of it. So it works. It just doesn't work on that band, and it's not going to work on 10. Hello, 10 meters, we got nothing. And then I don't think it goes above 10. So you got nothing on 10 and nothing on 12. So, of not any interest to a CBer, that I totally can use this radio, and it'll probably be perfectly fine. So, that's an interesting observation. Now, You guys don't believe me when I tell you that there are many radios that are not designed to operate on certain bands because of the low pass filter board. And like, this is what we were talking about, 60 meters on an ic756 Pro. The 756 Pro has a low pass filter, and that filter is operating in the 80 meter segment for 60 meters, which means it's fighting itself. And depending on where the 10 meter falls, how narrow the low pass filter is for that band, it can burn it up. Now, they do generally say that to discourage people from using ham radios on 10 meters, but, anyway. So, this is obviously a result of 11 meter usage. Something was done wrong, and the rest of the radio is absolutely fine. So we're probably going to find, if we open it up, that something in the low pass or band pass section for those bands is no good, or possibly one of the VCOs for that band has went south. And there's probably a VCO for both of them, so I don't think that's likely that it's the VCO. No. Let me see if we have any audio whatsoever. We do, and there's... Okay, so if I come over to one of my other radios, let's just see if we can perceive anything. No, I just need to find a damn Jason microphone. I don't even have a microphone for half of my radios anymore because I don't talk on them. I haven't spoken to anybody on the radio in at least a week. Actually, I'd be more inclined to talk on CB radio than ham radio the way things are lately. Okay. We're going to go to 15 meters. 21276. We can just go 21074. We're on a dummy load. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it doesn't pick up anything. It cannot hear me at all. Okay, so let's try not on a dummy load and let's see if we can actually get this thing to tune. Okay. Holy moly. Taking forever. Alright, so I'm putting out 100 watts and I hear nothing. We do hear static, but the radio has no receive. Okay, so there is no receive on 21, which actually makes no sense, right? Didn't it transmit there? Okay. Let's try 18. Okay, it won't tune there. Let me get over here to 14. Are we in some kind of damn fucking memory mode, aren't we? Alright. tune this thing forever. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's so strange. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go up to the next band again. Okay. I'm on the dummy load. Okay. This tuner needs to be off. Where's the freaking tuner? 1, 2. It doesn't hear on this band. Hello. That doesn't make sense. Boy, this radio is locked down like you wouldn't believe. This other radio. Okay. We got let's go 21,160. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off frequency. Okay. 25. 921. I'm gonna do 921. One, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Yeah. Off frequency. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So the receives there. Let's keep going. Band number 24/7. Probably 28. That was weird. $28,400. Oops. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so it receives on all those bands. It just doesn't transmit. So the VCO is fine. There's something in the transmit section that's stopping it from transmitting on those bands. I don't know what it would be, but we'll find out eventually.